Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. We'll ask you some questions and you have to answer.
Okay.
How often do you have a haircut?
Well, I often have a haircut every 15 days.
Listen, when you use every 15 days, then you don't need to use often, right? So I usually have a haircut after every 15 days. And if you use the word fortnight instead of 15 days, that will increase your band score. Fortnight. Okay, so answer again. How often do you have a haircut?
I have a haircut every fortnight because I don't like big hairs, and my hairs grow in a curl,
It's always singular, hair.
and my hair
Grows.
grows, and my hair grows curly. So to answer your question, I usually cut my hairs every fortnight.
Yeah, I usually have my hair cut. When you say I usually cut my hair, you cut yourself, okay? So when you say I have my hair cut, then barber cuts your hair.
Okay.
Okay, this is important. Yeah.
How long have you had your last haircut?
I have my haircut.
I had.
I had my haircut 20.
Whatever you want to say. I had my hair cut 10 years ago. Okay.
I had my haircut
10 days ago, 5 days ago, 1 week ago. Don't think too much. And don't even think, acha, pichla jumma si, us to pichla hafta si. Not like this, okay? So, when did you have your last haircut?
I had my haircut since 10 days.
10 days before. I had my last haircut 10 days before.
I had my haircut 10 days before because my hair
Was long.
my hair was long. So I go to barber shop.
I went to,
Yes.
not go to, tenses. I went to barber's shop and he cut my hair. So to answer your question, almost 10 days ago, I had my last haircut. Okay, focus the question, understand the question, make your answer appropriate. And tenses are extremely important for you.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.